IT professional networking. What is it? And why is it so important? We're going to talk about that and more coming up. Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to IT Career Skills, where we give you advice and insight on how to grow your career in the IT field. My name's Dakota, and this is actually part one of a three-part mini-series where we talk about professional networking in the IT field and why I think it's so important. In part two, we're going to talk about how to get started in networking, and in part three, we're going to talk about some tips and tricks to level up your game when it comes to professional networking. So with that, let's dive right on in. So what is professional networking? Professional networking is all about getting out there online and offline and meeting with people in your profession or in a profession you're looking to get into, for instance, IT. And it's about going out there and really building relationships with those people, getting to know the people that are already doing the jobs or talking to people who are looking to get into the field. So now that we've covered what professional networking is, let's talk about why I personally think it's so important in the IT field. Let's first talk about if you're looking to enter the field. If you're looking to enter the field, by going out there and meeting up with people and talking to people that are already doing the job that you're looking to do, one, you're going to get an idea of what the people are like, what the job responsibilities are. You're going to get a lot more information than you're going to get by just looking at job descriptions. So two, hopefully you're going to leave a good impression on people. So if you apply for a job that they work at and they remember you, you're going to see that name on the application and be like, oh, I remember that guy. He seemed like he was a great personality. And that's going to win you bonus points even before you make it to the job interview. The second reason I think it's so important for people trying to get in the IT field is you're going to meet the people at these jobs. You're going to meet some people that you'd never meet when you're just in the interview process. You're going to get a feeling for the culture of the companies. And with that, you're going to get a little bit better idea where you want to work, what companies you want to work for, what companies sound like they have a great work environment and they really care about their employees, and maybe which ones don't care about their employees so much. It's going to help give you so much inside knowledge. Let's say you're already in the IT field, you have a great job. It's always great to build your professional network. It's always great to get out there and meet people in the same field. You could either kind of talk about a problem maybe you're having at work that you're just stumped on, and maybe they'll have a different view on it. Or, you just build up personal relationships where in the future, if you need a favor or you have a question, you can reach out to that person and ask them. It's a great set of tools to have in your toolbox when you're first entering the IT field, to have that support network, those people that you can ask in a pinch for help. And then there's the other side of the coin, where maybe you're in the field and you're ready for a change. Say maybe you're at an entry-level help desk job and you're just not quite getting paid enough and you're looking to advance your career. Having that network of people that you already know, if you start putting the word out maybe a little bit that you're looking for a change or you're looking to grow, those people are going to remember you, especially if you've had an ongoing conversation with them and meet them several times. They're going to remember you, and when a job comes up, they're going to give you a call. And sometimes they're going to give you a call before it even hits a listing. They hear that their company is going to be hiring soon, and they're like, hey, I know someone who'd be perfect. And they call you up and like, hey, give me your resume right now. You ship them off your resume and they submit it to their boss, and you get the job before it even goes out to anyone else. Now, I'm not saying that happens all the time, but it does happen. It does happen. The IT industry is very much about who you know. And by going out there and getting more exposure, you're going to gain your odds of advancing your career. But remember, it's not always about advancing your career. Sometimes it's just about going out there and building those personal connections. Like I said, this is just part one in a three-part mini-series. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to get started networking with people and what platforms are out there and available for free. Just remember, this really doesn't cost anything for you to go out and just build your professional network. Well, that's it for today. I know it's a quick video, but I just want to get the conversation started about professional networking and really open the door for the next two videos. If you guys liked it, please make sure and like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to receive notifications when we release new videos. Until next time, thank you for tuning in.